Kimchi is a fermented vegetable dish in Korea. Today, we are going to observe the microorganisms living inside of kimchi with microscope. In the kimchi, you will see countless particles. They are a mixture of plant cell and tiny microbes. You can see an abundance of bacteria such as lactobacillus and Bacillus. They produce various organic acids, and the organic acid create the significant sour taste of kimchi. Korean people enjoy the distinct sour taste from well-fermented kimchi. You can also see yeast. They contribute to the complex smell and flavor. Sometimes yeast provides sparkling carbonation by producing carbon dioxide. As you've seen, kimchi has its own ecosystem for fermentation. The next time when you eat kimchi, please remember the millions of microbes that make it taste delicious.